प्रॉब्लम नंबर 38। प्रॉब्लम नंबर 38 को डिस्कस करने से पहले आपको जीन लाइन जीन थेरेपी के बारे में पूरी मालूमात हासिल होनी चाहिए। नाउ वी इन दिस प्रॉब्लम वी विल टॉक अबाउट द ethical issues regarding germline gene therapy. So the question is, are there any ethical objections related to germline gene therapy? Then the answer is yes. Number of ethical issues are related to germline therapy, not only socially, morally, but also psychologically and religiously. Here we will talk about the two main line of arguments dealing with the germline gene therapy. The first argument related to germline gene therapy is genetic modification of large mammals poses risk to immediate recipients. यानी कि जिस मैमल को हम जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड कर रहे हैं या जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड कर रहे हैं, he or she is at the risk. इसके अलावा if genetic modification is occurring in large mammals, it also poses risk to the succeeding generations because it can be transferred from one generation to another. Now this point is somewhat an argument raised by the opposing members of the germline gene therapy. उनके थ्रू अगर germline gene therapy के जरिए जीन्स दूसरी जनरेशन्स में ट्रांसफर हो रही हैं, then it will somewhat affect the process of evolution. It is altering the biological nature. Now how it is altering the biological nature? Because according to evolution, only fittest can survive in this nature. अगर germline gene therapy के जरिए genetic modification large mammals में हो रही हैं, then they are considered to be the fittest one. Then where the normal people can survive on the planet Earth. So here the biological nature is altering to some extent through germline gene therapy. This is the major problem that has to be faced through ethical objections of germline therapy. So the first argument is that the germline gene therapy not only affects the immediate recipient, but it is also transferred from one individual to another. The second ethical objection is that germline gene therapy is altering the biological nature because the flow of gene is occurring among the human species. So the idea of germline gene therapy is somewhat controversial, that whether it should be acceptable as in routine cases by the physicians, by the scientists, or it should not be accepted. वो लोग जो germline gene therapy के जरिए affect हुए हैं, they are not still yet born. यानी कि जो लोग germline gene therapy के जरिए affect हुए हैं, वो अभी तक पैदा नहीं हुए. Germline gene therapy leads to the formation of normal people. लेकिन ethical considerations, ethical objections की वजह से United States of America ने अभी तक germline gene therapy के लिए federal funds release नहीं किए. Only it is going on in private clinics, hospitals और in the labs. इसके अलावा प्राइवेट फंड्स को भी रेगुलेट किया जा रहा है ताकि germline gene therapy ज़्यादा ना हो, उसको प्रॉपरली रेगुलेट किया जाए और इससे रिलेटेड एथिकल ऑब्जेक्शंस को भी कंट्रोल किया जा सके.